Hi, how are you?
Hey, I am doing well, and you?
Good. My name is Courtney. What is your name?
My name is Indrajit, and I am from India.
Indrajit. Oh, okay, nice. You don't actually look Indian.
Oh, wow, great. So I think this you are the one who speaks me that I am not looking like Indian.
Really?
So can you guess that what I am looking like? Which country?
You look like you have a little bit of Asian, like
Oh,
mix of Asian and like Arabic.
oh, wow, great, great to hear
Yeah,
from
very
you.
nice though. Very different. Very nice.
And
So,
what do you do beside teaching?
so I teach full time. I used to teach in Thailand, and then I
Oh,
was going to China this year. But then Corona happened, so I went. Sorry, I have a puppy that is
oh,
biting me.
wow, so great. So you are pet lover.
Yeah, and I have a kitten.
Oh, wow. So two cat and dogs.
Yeah, one baby cat, one baby dog. So puppy and
Oh,
kitten.
they can't fight each other?
Uh, they're actually okay. They're getting to know each other, so they are okay for
Oh,
now.
wow. So they are true friends like.
Yes, slowly becoming friends.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
And I do not have any pet, but I love dogs especially, and I feed some local dogs in my
Oh,
country, in my
yeah,
state.
that's very nice. And do you play cricket?
Yeah, I love cricket a lot
I know
because
because India and South Africa play cricket.
oh, I see. So that's the reason, main reason. Wow.
And most of my students from India say, "Oh, I love cricket. Ah, our countries play." I'm like, "Yes, yes."
Wow, great. Oh, so which player do you love most?
Well, I don't watch cricket often.
Oh,
Most guys do, but girls, I mean, I watch it because my family watches, but I don't personally play.
oh, okay, okay, I understand. And so,
Are you
what do
studying
you,
or are you working?
I am studying. I am an engineering student, and only 1 year left to become graduate.
That's exciting.
Yeah, that's
One
exciting.
more year, one more year.
Yeah.
And oh, sorry, my puppy is climbing.
Okay, okay.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have own elder brother who does a government job and stays another city of my state.
Oh, okay, nice. And so, do you live with your parents right now, or are you at a
Yeah,
university?
I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt, and also with my grandmother.
Oh, okay, nice. Nice with your family.
And who
Uh,
do you live with?
I live with my mom and my two younger brothers.
Oh, and also two lovely cats, lovely cat and dogs. Yeah,
One cat, one dog. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
great.
Actually, we have three dogs and one cat. Yeah,
Oh,
yes.
I
And
see.
some horses that are out on the farm.
They are wandering.
They are wandering around. Yeah,
Okay.
they're
Yeah, yeah.
naughty.
And what do you do in your free time?
I paint. I read.
Oh,
I work out. I painted that. So
wow, you are really great artist. Like
yeah, yeah. I love paint.
I love also painting. I
Really?
love also yeah. I
Okay.
love also and I paint some landscape
Oh, okay.
of village and town.
Oh, okay. And where do you find your pictures to paint? On the internet
Something
or
yeah,
in your?
something what I see or something is wandering in my brain, so I
Yes.
can imagine and I can paint.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's really nice for your, I don't know, sometimes when your head is going crazy, you paint and you just feel relaxed again.
Yeah, exactly. Painting refreshes me
Yeah,
always.
me too. I don't, so people who don't paint or draw sometimes I think I don't know what I would do if I didn't do that. You know?
Good.
I'm like,
I totally agree. I totally agree with you.
I would go crazy.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah, it's so nice, especially when it's raining outside and you put music
Oh,
and you just paint. You know, so it's so nice. It's like, oh,
wow. So
it's calm.
you, I think you are very romantic.
No, I just mean like, very calm. Makes you very calm.
Relaxing.
Yeah,
Yeah, relaxing.
for sure. And what are your hobbies? What do you like doing?
I love doing painting, and also beside painting, I love listening to music and also playing cricket with my friends.
Yes, that's nice. And how is everything with Corona? Are you able to play cricket still?
Yeah, in that time, I am able to play cricket with my friends,
Hmm.
but using mask as well as using sanitizer
Hmm.
and keeping safe distance from each other.
And are your restaurants and cafes open? Shops?
Yeah. Here also are opened, but the time duration is scheduled newly.
Yeah. And also you have to wear a mask if you go outside.
Yeah, obviously, and using hand sanitizer,
Yes.
and also sometimes we have to use gloves.
Oh, okay. And are your borders open, international travel, or closed?
Not international travel are opened here,
Okay.
but we can
Can you
move
travel?
around. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I and also we can move another city,
Oh, okay. Yeah, same in my country.
and also another state.
Yes. Yeah. Some countries are closing again, like Paris, I think Germany, Turkey.
Yeah, exactly. I heard about it that second wave of corona
Mm-hmm.
will be coming. Yeah.
Yeah. Luckily, my country is fine so far, I hope.
Oh, great.
And I think India might be is okay for now.
Yeah, exactly. And the recovery rate is very high.
Yeah, that's good. And
That is the good sign.
what about your schools? Are they open?
Yeah, I think they will reopen in December or January. I think so,
Okay.
but not sure because there is no official announcement.
Mm-hmm. Same. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, great. And yeah, I want to say that what are the things that make you happy
Oh,
or makes you smiling?
my family definitely. Going
Wow.
hiking. I like hiking and going out in the
Oh.
in
Traveling.
yeah, climbing in the mountains, like being out in nature, I would say, or in the sea. Oh,
Oh,
I love that. That definitely makes me happy.
wow, great.
And
And what are the things that, yeah, me painting and also playing cricket, and also I have, if I get a chance for hiking, then I definitely go for it because hiking, that is the thing that I should do
yeah,
once in a life.
yeah, it's so much fun, and it's so nice to do it with friends.
Yeah. And what are the things that make you angry or irritated?
Oh, that's very interesting questions.
Wow.
Hmm. I think rude people. I don't like rude people.
Oh,
Um,
yeah, exactly.
yeah, I think
Some,
anybody who's just not real or nice, it's
oh,
it's very unnecessary to not be nice.
yeah, exactly.
Things like that.
And and in my case, I do not like injustice and also abusive of animals because I
Oh,
I am animal lover.
yes. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And let me come up with a question now. You're asking me such like interesting hard questions, which are nice. Okay, not same as your questions, but have you traveled to any other country before?
No, because I have a dream that I want to visit or travel the USA or UK or South Africa, and also different country.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah.
And yeah, and so are you afraid of anything?
Am I afraid of anything? I don't really like snakes.
Oh, snakes is a really, I mean, really, uh, I want to say that really scary animal.
I used to like them when I was younger, but now I don't like the way they move. It's very creepy.
Yeah, exactly.
Ugh. Yeah, so anything else is fine. It's okay. But snakes, I'm not a fan of. I don't like snakes.
Yeah, exactly. Me also. And yeah, how do you celebrate your birthday in your country?
My birthday.
Yeah.
Normally we make a cake, and you get family together, and then you do something with friends. You do something with your friends, like you go to a bar and you drink, have fun, that sort of stuff. Have a party. It depends on each person. Some people like to have a birthday at their house. I normally just have something small with family, and then I go out with friends. That's what we do.
So for a party.
Yeah. And what about you?
Yeah, here also same thing happen, and sometimes mother or grandmother cooks that rice is boiled into the not water, that is milk.
Oh.
Yeah, and sweet and sugar are added to that, and this is very delicious and
Yum.
sweet food. Yeah.
What is it called? Can you type it for me? I want to see if maybe I know.
Yeah, that is one.
Hi,
Yeah, just networking problem here also.
No worries, it's okay.
Yeah, that is called, I think, pies. P in Bengali, that is called pies.
P-A-Y-E-S. P-O-Y. I just want to see.
In English, what is this? Just 1 minute. That is called.
Oh, okay.
Can you find it?
Yeah.
There is a English synonym. I can't remember now. In that time, I see that.
Okay, I know. I googled it. It looks very, very good.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah. So you make that on your birthday, and then do you have a big celebration?
Yeah, my aunt makes it, and I enjoy it to eat. And also, a lot of my friends are invited on that day.
Yes. Okay. And then do you buy presents for each other?
No, they presented me, but not me.
Oh, yeah. But I mean, like, do they buy presents for you on your birthday?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah. So it's the same.
And
same with my.
What is the expensive gift sent to you in your whole life?
What is the most expensive gift I've ever received?
Received, yeah.
I don't actually know, because in my family we don't really spend a lot of money on gifts. We're more about like being with each other. Maybe a very expensive perfume, I think.
Wow, great.
And you?
And yeah, mobile phone.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
That is very expensive.
Yeah.
And yeah, ma'am, my time is running out harshly. So it was really lovely to meet you. But
it was very nice to speak with you.
Next time, yeah, exactly. I will have a reservation with you soon.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Bye. Have a great day.
Stay safe also. See you soon.
Too.
Bye.